Kublai pi baro kini gilonggi kubor bam tagasngi. Ka Coordination Committee of Registered MEECL Employees Associations and Unions CCORMAU neksngi balang karat halanting yu chairman kam managing director ka MEECL Sanjay Goyal halor ka jingkeno ba ula kentat banya kendo ka kinhun kinong yalam ka union. Vice President ka CCORMAU uba Arju Dekar habayakran bagi nong tho khubor ula ong baka union kalalit ban penpau ya kajing persya hakamat menteri katenat boarding Abu Tahir Mondel halor kani kam UCMD. Ngila persyang ban ya kendu ya UCMD Henry ulakiar kenang nangi bar kalong ka bas ngodiaw namar kum ukhli penyat bar kum kesenjung ban jam syakmat hidon kam ya kajing syania mar keliang. Namar kata next time ngina lej ban penpau ya kajing persya hakamat menteri ong uba Arju. Upentip bagi nong tray ka MEECL kindang la banyo ya katulop jeng ubnai jemang. Ngila dep I notice syaki bor kami badai ban siu ya katulop jengi hapo ka shipau terik mana ubnai. Ngila day ban pelong ya kajing yaki haka kat ar terik henry UCMD ulapa ya kashiti syangi haka pra terik bar ula khot ingi sya kajing yalang menta kasngi penban syuken san kensan tang syiteng kenta syua kajing yalang ula pensak nge no ya kajing yalang bat ngilas ngomong hadu kata-kata halor kene kajing ne jengu benrap uba Arju. Haba penpau bakam syamdan satia kanu kajing yarap yangi menta halor kene kakam une Vice President ula ong. Henry hakis ngi ban sawan ngi yo i bakadon kajing kermen namar ngi yo i ya kamontri kam jeng umentri bat nang ni syakmat ngin sanang yakran kambun bat umentri. Upentip baka kinhun kalaya kran ru halor kajing tray kam jeng ki kor ki bor ka MEECL kajing duna boarding kajing thiet boarding ka door by boarding bahap siu kinong pendon kam boarding ki karkhana bat karu kam tray kam jeng ka regulatory commission.
Seek an appointment with Honorable Power Minister. We are very thankful to him for giving us this audience this afternoon. At 4 p.m. we met Power Minister and we had a very open discussion, be it the functioning of the utilities, the power scenario in the state, the power purchase, the tariff to the consumer, to the industries, the functioning of the regulatory commission. We had a very open discussion because we know the utility to come out of the situation we are in needs a cooperative efforts by each one, be it at the top level until the lowest level of the employees of the organization. We could see that political will of the Honorable Chief Minister and the Honorable Minister Power in charge. As a responsible unions and association, yes, we do have our grievances. We stand here now also telling you that we have not received our salary. We try to meet our CMD, but maybe intentional, unintentional, he has avoided us, which is very unfortunate because as a utility, as an organization, to move forward, you have to trust one another. So this morning, and we have openly lodged our protest before the Honorable Minister in charge power. Apart from that, we do see that immediately there is no relief. But in the long run, we see there is hope. Why I say that? As I would repeat again, I could see that political will in our Honorable Minister Power. So, from the association and union side, we are going to extend our support, and we have requested him also to take us into confidence. Yes, all matters cannot be discussed with us. We understand that. But there are certain issues where we would like to be involved to see that this organization prosper. So that is what I would like to say as of now.
So how many months salary?
By the 10th of every month. So we were supposed to have our protest on the next working day, that is on the 12th. But since the CMD has given us letter on 8th, he has called us for today's meeting at 1 p.m. But suddenly, half an hour before the meeting, he has cancelled that meeting, which is very unfortunate. We were very hurt by that. But after meeting the Honorable Power Minister, we could see that hope. And henceforth, maybe we will be interacting more with the Honorable Power Minister.
So what was the assurance given by
for power purchase, and we had a discussion on this power purchase also. You see, well, let us be very frank. There is no point of hiding anything. Okay, there should be no hiding. Now, when we buy power at a higher rate, whereas when the tariff is say 4 rupees or 5 rupees, and when you buy power at 8 rupees, can the government subsidize to each and every category of its consumers? Is it fair? As a businessman, I do business. Shouldn't I pay that extra power which the utility is buying? So these are all the aspects which we have to look into. Yes, domestic consumers, they should be subsidized. It's the duty bound of the government every day to subsidize. But what about the commercial, the industries? Let me tell you here, please work out the benefit the industries has provided to the state of Meghalaya since it's coming to the states from the early 90s. Please find out the facts and figures. What are the benefits we got from the industries? There is almost an outstanding of crores of rupees. So we have asked the Honorable Minister to take action against all those default industries and to repay us and to initiate necessary action as per law.
what is the
You see, maybe at times we were complacent. At times we have not gone into the details of the MOU, of the agreement which has been made. But I do hope that all the shortcomings be corrected so that in future, if we have any agreement, be it a long term or short term, it will be for the benefit of the utility and the state as a whole. It should not be a one-sided agreement where always you will find that the government departments or the government utilities are at the receiving end.
for the last 20 years?
So we do hope that with the learned Power Minister and with us giving inputs, we do hope about the corporatization of the then MSCB. We have been talking about the terminal benefits. The amount at that time was 840 crores. Since no bailout package was provided since 1st of April 2010, the actual valuation has reached a level of 3,276 crores. And all those terminal benefits from 1st of April 2010 till date, till recently, has been spent from the revenue money, which almost cost to around 800 plus crores. So these are the issues where we had a detailed discussion, and the Honorable Minister is very much sympathetic to our discussion, our points raised by us, and he has informed us that the moment the Honorable Chief Minister comes, he will take up this issue, maybe most probably next week, and from that we will move forward.
How is the government planning to clear this terminal?
There we have given a detailed plans how to work out, and we do hope that all those plans are put into action.